One thing is common to all of us is that we all want disease-free body and issueless mind, right? Do you think human body is already gifted with automatic vital processes that is only programmed for health? Yes, body doesn't know how to be ill. Then why so many people have to start their morning by using different chemical pills? Because diseases have some deeper meaning that can't be addressed with by only using chemical pills. There are so many obstacles which prevent us to get our ultimate health. So let's discuss 3 basic obstacles that must be removed to gain our quantum healing. Let's move to the first one, and that is past painful memories. Dear friends, past painful memories are like a garbage. Fragrance of wellness cannot be arise in presence of any garbage. We must understand this. Today, medical sciences prove that more than 90% of diseases are psychosomatic diseases. Means disease arise from the mind. But human mind can't be scanned by any scanner or machine. I repeat, human mind can't be scanned by any scanner or machine. We can scan our body, we can't scan our mind. Psychoneuroimmunological axis itself suggests that mind and body are the parts of the same system. So unless and until past painful memories are there, it directly reflects on the body via PNI axis. Now let's discuss the second obstacle that must be removed to achieve our quantum healing state. That is negative feeling patterns. Of course, past painful memories have a negative feeling patterns. But it is not necessary that if you have a negative feeling patterns, then you must have a past painful memory. No. Anyone can have a negative feeling patterns without having any past painful memories. This kind of feeling state doesn't allow anyone to feeling the patterns of wellness. Negative feeling state has its own influence, its own frequency to control human biogenome via same PNI axis. You must understand that if you fuel your car, if you fuel your diesel car with the petrol, somehow it will going to work for you. Somehow it will going to work for you. But it will never work with its fullest possibility as a given device, as a car, right? Similarly, negative feeling patterns has its own influence on human brain. It reduces brain's capacity for thinking, reasoning, and memory formation. Apart from that, it easily triggers the fight and flight response of the human body that generates lots of stress hormones in the body. And these stress hormones are very responsible for n number of chronic diseases. Now let's discuss the third obstacle which must be removed to gain our quantum healing state. That is anxiety. Before we understand what is anxiety, we must understand what is the difference between fear and anxiety. Fear is an emotion which can be felt under circumstances of any dangerous situation or threatening situation. Means there must be the real object. Imagine you are encountering yourself with the wild animals like snake or tiger, and the emotion which is generated that known as a fear. But anxiety is something different. Anxiety is an imaginary fear or irrational fear, means there are no real object. There may be real feeling, real fear for you, but not for the world. So anxiety is an irrational fear. Anxiety has a lots of influence on acid-base regulatory system of human body, and it leads to continuous muscle tension via fight and flight response, which stimulate in dangerous situation, while the situation is not actually dangerous for the world. There are n number of biological changes under influence of anxiety. I have described few because majority of people have some common symptoms like acid reflux and muscle tensions or muscle pain. So these are the basic obstacles that must be removed to gain our quantum healing to achieve our ultimate health. Human body is made up of more than 100 billions of neurons, and that neurons has a unique capacity to rewire itself at any time, at anywhere. So rewire your brain through quantum healing to gain your ultimate health. We'll meet you soon. Till that, be blessed with your divine health.